Hey friends, Casey Ashmore here again, following up with you on part 2 in this short series on the Texas Standard Possession Order and why we do it. But before I do that, I want to give a shout out to our friends, colleagues, people in our community, loved ones, friends around the world who have been so substantially decimated or hurt by this, the furloughing, the layoffs, the crushing collapse of the West Texas oil economy, everything due to the coronavirus pandemic. We are sending thoughts and prayers to lift you all up, and the hope that we all can get back to work and providing for our families and loved ones as quickly as possible. So this video series is on the Texas Standard Possession Order and why we do it, what does it mean, and a lot of parents are out there and they hear 135. Well, I'm not going to be a 135 dad. And what that means is first, third, and fifth weekends. The first, third, and fifth weekends of the calendar school year are the non-custodial parents' weekends. And that's usually the breadwinning parent, the parent who has in the past been out in the field, out in the trenches, earning money for the family, while there is usually another parent, the caretaker parent, who gets designated the primary caretaker, the primary parent, the primary managing conservator of the children, or the managing conservator with the right to designate the children's primary residence. And the reason why the legislature in their wisdom did that is because stability during the school year. And a lot of parents, especially those breadwinners, whether they be a mom or a dad, the people, they're like, hey, I'm fit. Hey, I'm a good parent. I should be a managing conservator with equal rights. We should have 50-50 custody. Why can't we do that? And they feel like it's an unfairness. And I would posit to you that it is done for a couple of reasons. And I touched on them in the first one. And one of those reasons is stability during the school year. It is a mechanism put in place for stability during the school year because the child knows where they're going to be basically Monday through Friday. They're going to be at the primary parent's house. And then on the weekends during the school year, they know that there are going to be regular weekend visits with the non-custodial parent. And why that's important is because Monday through Thursday night, homework's getting done, teeth are getting brushed, fractions are being fractioned, times tables are being memorized, worksheets are getting completed. Well, I guess they don't do that anymore, but all the online stuff, all the homework, all the making sure that teeth are brushed and off on the school bus on time, those things are not disrupted because parents are no longer married. And the exchange for that, which a lot of parents feel is some diminution in their ability to parent, but it's not. It's really an advantage because I want y'all to think about for a second, how many fond memories do you have of getting yelled at to take the trash out on Tuesday night? Anybody? Said no one ever, right? How many fond memories do you have of sitting with your parents, mom or dad, grinding at the school homework assignment, trying to memorize the times tables, trying to get through the fractions assignment, being instructed by a tired parent who came home from work and cooked you dinner and now has to help assist you through your math assignment, your science assignment, whatever. Sometimes those memories are fun, but more often than not, what do you look backward on as an adult? You look Saturday morning, cartoons, hanging out, having a catch with dad at the end of the driveway, going to the store with mom to look for the latest Barbie doll or something, going on a family adventure, going to the movies. Those are the really great moments in a child's memory. And that's why the non-custodial parent is in some ways rewarded with a greater share of those. So don't think of it as a loss or a diminution in your parenting abilities. It's a trade-off for the fact that there's got to be an enforceable system in place, one that better stabilizes the child for school, and the primary caregiver is usually the one who's been doing that in the past, so we don't fix what's not broken. And the reward for the other parent is they get a greater share of essentially the fun times. Anyway, thanks for watching. There's going to be more on this video segment to come. Please like, subscribe, and share. If you have questions or comments, leave them on any platform that you see this video series on. I'll reply back in a direct message to you or in a subsequent video series. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the studio for the conclusion of why the standard possession order in Texas family law.